From small to 5XL, one OMTech DTF printer does it all. Small investment, fast monetization. Let's hear the post-use feedback from two experienced ambassadors.
Owning this 5XL DTF printer changed everything. It gives me true production power with just a small investment, helping me to take on more orders and grow faster.
16.4% wider than typical printers, truly covering S to 5XL apparel. Pair with the all-in-one powder shaker and dryer for one-tap batch output. Features a pull-out platen plus IR laser, auto press to free your hands, and fabric-agnostic creativity leaving you open to all orders. Expand your business boundaries.
Working from home, I need tools I can trust. And this DTF printer is as reliable as heck. It's simple to maintain and never clogs, so I can focus on creating instead of fixing.
Life keeps inspiring us, so we create memories that belong only to our family. With powerful white ink recirculation and agitation, even sediment-prone white ink flows smoothly. Auto-cleaning and capping make daily upkeep simple.
Its industrial-grade speed, vibrant colors, and sharp details bring every design to life, earning me happier clients and fewer returns.
Make every order exceptional. Our 8-channel professional print heads deliver extreme color accuracy while hitting up to 50 square feet per hour. Screen-like clarity. Let image quality win the client. Hardcore gear for hardcore business.
My inspiration comes from the love I have for my home, and I appreciate that this printer keeps my space fresh, odor-free, and completely safe for my family.
While the built-in fume purification keeps living room air feeling fresh. Create without pause and stay present for the people you love. Turn passion into profit.
It's my secret weapon for growing my business while keeping my creativity alive.
With it, I've turned my passion into income without ever having to choose between work and the people I care about most.
Industrial grade printing, home level upkeep, OMTech DTF Printer.